Excellent work, Mighty Ray.
Yeah, not bad, Banana Brain.
It was easy for me because I am so awesome!
The Elephant King says they will never give up. They request a contest to see who is the best.
Why not? I'll just beat him again.
The Elephant King says that the contest will be a whistleblower contest.
Ha! This'll be easy.
Elephant King says the contest will not be with tiny whistles. It will be with this one.
Mysterious tree, what is the secret of your beauty? Little bird, perhaps you can help me.